Stop scrolling. What if I told you, you don't need to be rich to drive a sports car? Yes, for under $10,000, you can own something fast, stylish, and fun. But here's the truth. Some of these cars look like a dream, but can quietly destroy your wallet. So in this video, I'm showing you the best sports cars under $10,000 and which ones are actually worth your money. Most people think sports cars are only for rich people, but that's not true anymore. The used car market is full of powerful machines at surprisingly low prices. The problem? Not all cheap sports cars are smart buys. So let's break it down. The best options that give you performance without making you broke. 1. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Let's start with a legend, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. This car is lightweight, fun, and incredibly reliable. It's not the fastest, but the driving experience is insane. Why people love it? Cheap to maintain, great fuel economy, super fun to drive. This is one of the smartest sports car buys under $10K. If you want fun without stress, this is it. 2. Nissan 350Z. Now we're talking about real power. The Nissan 350Z, a true sports car with a strong V6 engine and aggressive looks. Why people buy it? Fast, loud, looks expensive. But here's the catch. High fuel consumption, insurance can be expensive. Many used models are abused. Great car, but only if you find a well-maintained one. 3. BMW Z4. Want something that screams luxury? The BMW Z4. This car looks premium and feels even better to drive. Why people love it? Stylish design, smooth performance, convertible option. The hidden truth: maintenance is not cheap. Parts can be expensive. Cheap to buy, expensive to own. 4. Ford Mustang older V6. Yes, you can own a Mustang under $10K, and that alone sounds crazy. Why people buy it? Iconic muscle car, strong road presence, comfortable ride. But V6 versions are not as powerful as you expect. Fuel cost is high. Great for looks and daily driving, but not the best performance for the price. 5. Audi TT, 2005 to 2008. This car looks like a mini supercar. The Audi TT. Why people love it? Unique design, Quattro AWD in some models, premium feel. The problem? Expensive repairs. Electrical issues in older models. Looks rich, but can drain your money fast. Now listen carefully. Buying a cheap sports car is easy, but owning one? That's where most people fail. Because the real cost is not the price. It's maintenance, fuel, insurance, repairs. A $10,000 car can easily cost you $3,000 to $5,000 every year to maintain. So what's the final answer? The best choices: Mazda Miata, smart and reliable. Nissan 350Z, if well maintained. Risky choices: BMW Z4, Audi TT. Balanced choice: Ford Mustang. Ask yourself, am I buying a dream or a financial mistake? Because the wrong car won't just cost you money, it will cost you peace of mind. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, because on this channel, we don't just talk about cars, we talk about smart money decisions.